Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is 2nd of September 2023. It is 9:32 p.m. This gentleman, Alex David, he films YouTube videos to teach Korean himself. He films videos on YouTube to teach Korean himself on his own. So he makes a lot of mistakes in his Korean, but still he is awesome. He is great. He is using the right means to teach himself. He said he has taught himself Korean for 8 months so far. His Korean is already on the track. I don't doubt he will be fluent in Korean after 2 or 3 years later. Same is true with me. I film videos to teach myself math, physics, engineering, also English. So I can make a lot of mistakes in my YouTube videos.
다음 댓글 대답할 거예요. 코멘트 읽어주시는 것 너무 좋은 것 같아요. 뭔가 소통하는 느낌이라서 좋네요. 이렇게 열심히 공부하시는 모습에 뭐요? 저도 열심히 공부해야겠다고 생각이 듭니다. 네, 감사합니다. 네, 댓글에 감사합니다. 네, 맞아요. 제가 또 이렇게 말했어요. 많은 코멘트를, 많은 댓글 때문에 이렇게 코멘트 읽어주시는 것 너무 좋은 것 같아요. 네, 제가 이렇게 말했어요. 또 그 코멘트를 제 말씀에 대해 때문에 아마도 제가 실수가 했어요. 네. 이렇게 또 어떻게 말해요? 괜찮아요. 네. 또 그 한국 사람 한국어 더 할 수 있어요. 제보다. 네. 네. 그 도와주어서 감사합니다. 네. 제 의미 이렇게 네. 그 코멘트를 때문에
Mr. Alex David, he knows how to teach himself. On the YouTube, there are many, uncountably many naive people. Search for fast reading. You can have hundreds or thousands of videos about fast reading or reading faster. They are very naive people from my perspective. They are really naive people. If you read fast, you cannot read the mind of the author. You cannot catch what the author is trying to deliver to you. You have to carefully think when you have read. All these people who are talking fast reading, they are either misreading or very naive. In this book, The C++ Programming Language, 4th edition by Van Strostrup, the creator of C++. If you search for the parser in chapter 10 expression, you can sync the bookmark here. If you find the next, in this page, you can find here is a grammar for the language accepted by the calculator. This is so-called recursive descent parse tree. This book, the C++ programming language, uses recursive descent parse tree over 2 or more hundred pages to explain the C++ language. My point is, if you do not understand such recursive descent path tree. You fail to understand the contents of this book because in this book you can find recursive descent path trees in more than 200 pages. Without understanding recursive descent path tree, you cannot read and understand the contents of this book. Luckily, this book gives you all the gory details how to translate recursive descent path tree to a complete program that can compute simple expressions. Now I go back. Chapter 10.2 A Desk Calculator. In this page, this book explains the grammar for the language accepted by the calculator, the program, the root product or starting symbol. This book gives gory details how to implement this recursive descent path tree into a complete C++ program. This is the fourth edition. In my case, it took me 2 weeks to completely understand the fourth edition because I carefully read the C++ programming language special edition and completely understood recursive descent path tree. Then, from this website, talkplayfun.com, Bison and Flex, if you scroll down, you can find scan Unicode string instead of console file input with Flex. Download Flex regular expressions for Unicode text. You have to right-click, copy link address, then paste, hit enter. You can download, show in folder, extract, copy the folder, paste it in your working directory. In this folder, you will find the timestamp March 21st, 2028. Double-click this solution file. Some components of my previous project is not supported on latest Microsoft C++. OK, now YAL is user interface component. The parser is my own programming language. Lexer parser, parser.y. If you scroll down, you can find the complete source code, the parser, program, statement list, statement. These are recursive descent path tree, control end, over 6,000 lines of recursive descent path tree syntax, source files. You can look around. The parser type.cpp. This is the driver. It implements a complete programming language. Control end. It is over 2,000 lines long. Of course, this is not all. I implemented my own programming language, all in Unicode. I created lexical analyzer to process all Unicode. For example, basic Latin, Greek, Hebrew, Arabic, all human languages, Korean, Chinese, Japanese, etc. These regular expressions can lexical analyze any human language on Earth that is supported on Windows platform. You can create your own programming language. In this video, recursive descent path tree and impix calculator in C++, I explained how to implement desk calculator. I like the quote here. Programming is like sex. It may give some concrete results, but that is not why we do it. Apologies to Richard Feynman. If you can design such syntax parser and implement into a complete C++ program such as desk calculator, you can create a complete programming language as in this video. Include Lexer H, namespace, parser, save all. We first need to understand recursive descent path tree, recursive descent path tree. Our program starts with the calculator. Calculator can take AND or 0. It is EOF and or end of string or EOF. Then it can have expression list, then 0. This is calculator basic tree, root tree, root of the descent path tree. Then we define expression list like this: expr list can be expr like this symbol, then expr list expr. This is left recursion. Here we need to define expr like this: expr. expr can be term, expr plus another term, expr can minus term. So we defined expr. Now we define term. Term can be primary, prime. Term can. My point is, if you read your book carefully, slowly, and understand what the author is trying to say to you, by implementing such simple infix calculator all in C++ all on your own, you can create a complete programming language on your own, all by yourself. I said it took me 2 or 3 weeks to read the 4th edition, but it took me full 6 months to completely understand the C++ programming language. This is the 3rd edition or special edition. It took me full 6 months to completely understand this book. I always pay fair price. Mr. Alex David, he is paying his price. He said on his YouTube video, he is planning to invest 3 years to learn Korean. I also invested 3 years to learn English while I was in high school. I invested all my time, energy, 3 years to learn English. If I haven't learned English, I may not be able to read and understand such text. Some people, for example, Mr. Deliogun, what's your takeaway? Some people cannot understand my English, probably because my English skill is not understandable or not fluent. The takeaway of my current video is that you should pay your fair price. You should read your book slowly and understand what the book author is trying to say to you.